Come here. If we always speak English, and then you will be good speaking in English. Yes?
Okay.
This is my beautiful English student, Dr. Wilma. Hello.
Hello.
Hola.
Hello.
And she's my
Hola.
Spanish professor. Also, I am her English teacher.
Okay.
Hello.
We go to the party.
Party. We go to
Party. We go to the party
party
with my friend.
today.
Today,
Sunday.
Sunday.
Okay, good.
Good.
Good students.
Let's go to the car.
Let's go to the car now. Yeah. Don't forget your teléfono aquí. This is your teléfono, amiga. Now come here. Ching, ching. Yeah. That's my amiga Wilma. Hola.
I'm high.
Faster. We will give that. And then we close. Ching, but it's not clear. Okay. Hola, we are now going to the party. Bye.
Bye.